and during
COVID-19
pandemic.
I am Doris. I am a flight attendant for 2 years. I travel to different countries and interact with different cultures and people. Last month ago, I came back to the Philippines.
I'm Sarah. I love to explore in the different beaches around the Philippines. Last month, I went to Boracay for vacation.
I am Glory. I am a party goer. I love to go to different clubs and partying all night and day. I love to dance and sing to the beat of the music. I get drunk and sleep everywhere.
I'm Jay. I have many roosters with different kinds of breed. I went to many barrios and barangays just to attend cockfighting. In fact, I won 1 million in Matina Galera for being first winner of the cockfighting.
I'm Kenneth. I live alone and I used to go to supermarkets to buy goods for myself.
We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
To address this crisis, I placed the entire country under a state of public health emergency.
Positive? No. This is not happening. This is not true. How will I feed my family? I am unemployed. No. It's better to end my life before the virus will infect my whole family. It's better to die.
Oh no! I can't believe this! I want to go out! The flights are cancelled! I want to go out, I want to go to travel, I want to... This is Boracay? El Nido? Puerto Princesa? Palawan! Here I come!
What should I do now? I want to go to derbies. I miss cockfighting and earn many prizes. I almost spend all of my money and I need to pay my bills.
Oh no! This is not true. I can't believe this. I cannot go outside. I'm chilling with my friends. I want to go to bars. Partying all night and day. Nightlife. This is not true. I desperately need to go to bars.
This can't be. How will I go out? How will I feed myself? I'm alone. No one cared for me. I have no family. I have nowhere to go. I can't believe this.